I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on your phone. First, head to your device's App Store, either Google Play or the Apple App Store, and search for Call of Duty Mobile. The game is free to download. Make sure your phone has at least 2 GB of RAM and around 1.6 GB of initial storage available. Once installed, launch the app and log in using your Call of Duty account, Facebook, Google, or simply play as a guest. Mastering your controls is crucial for effective gameplay. Call of Duty Mobile offers 2 primary firing modes: Simple, which auto-fires when aiming at an enemy, and Advanced, providing full manual control. I recommend Advanced for better precision. You can also extensively customize your heads-up display, or HUD, by resizing and repositioning buttons to suit your playstyle. For a different experience, connect an Xbox or PlayStation controller via Bluetooth. The game will then match you with other controller players. Call of Duty Mobile boasts a wide array of exciting game modes. You can jump into fast-paced multiplayer matches, including fan favorites like Team Deathmatch, where 2 teams compete for 50 kills, and Domination, focused on capturing 3 control points. For a larger-scale experience, try Battle Royale, dropping up to 100 players onto a massive map to be the last one standing. The game also frequently introduces unique limited-time modes and cooperative zombies challenges. To enhance your performance, fine-tune your settings. Adjusting camera and aim down sight, or ADS, sensitivity is key for precise aiming and smoothly tracking opponents. The Gunsmith feature allows you to customize weapons with various attachments like scopes and grips, significantly improving their performance. Furthermore, familiarize yourself with different map layouts and objective locations. Understanding these elements provides a tactical advantage, helping you anticipate enemy movements and secure victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.